Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to make a pencil holder with these waste plastic bottles. I am taking 3 bottles. One of a big size and 2 are smaller. These are 3 cold drink bottles. So to make the pencil holder, I will cut these plastic bottles with the help of this cutter. First of all, I am going to make a mark from where I have to cut these out. I have taken a black marker. Just mark it. I'm marking it from here to cut it down. Okay. In this way, I will mark all the 3 bottles. So I have marked these 2 small plastic bottles. Okay, so I will cut it from here with the help of cutter. I am gonna cut it from here. These are very thin plastic, so it can be cut out very easily. Cut this bottle. So I have cut out the smaller bottle and I will get this by cutting this. In the same way, I will cut the another bottle. Same way, we'll cut it also from there. Okay, so I am going to cut this bottle from here. Get the same shape. So I have cut out these both bottles and I got these 2 shapes. Now I am going to cut out the bigger one. That one I have made the marking here, and in the same way I will cut it out with the help of cutter. Just start cutting it from here. Okay, so I have got this. I have cut out this one also. Okay, so I have got these 3 shapes. Now we will paint these bottles with the help of acrylic color. Okay, so I have taken this red acrylic paint. I'm gonna paint this bottle with the help of this paint. Just start painting. In this way we will paint the whole bottle. Red is my favorite color, and which one is yours? You can paint it with the color of your choice. Our painting is almost done. Painting at the back side of the bottle. Okay, so I have painted that bottle. In the same way, we'll paint the other 2. Okay, now paint the smaller one. In the same way, paint the small bottle also. Look how beautifully it's painted. It's also almost done, and we will keep it also to get it dried up completely. Okay, so our second bottle is also painted. Now I am going to paint the last, that is third one, with same red color. Okay, so our third bottle is also painted. Now we'll keep it there and we'll wait for an hour to get them dried up completely. So these bottles are all dried up. Now I'm going to decorate them with the help of acrylic paint markers. So I'm going to draw a cutie face with the help of these acrylic paint marker. One eye, and here I'm going to draw another eye. Look, and a cutie smile. Wow. Now complete the eyes. And color them with black marker, acrylic paint marker. And color the another eye also. Wow. And this is the tongue. Color the mouth with black color. And the cutie eyelashes. Here also. Look, isn't it so cute? Yes. I'm going to do some pink color in the tongue. Okay. And make the cheeks. Will look like this. In the same way, make the faces on smaller bottles also. Cutie eyes. And now the last one. And our cutie faces are ready. Now make some border on all the 3 bottles with this black paint marker. Okay, so I have painted all the 3 bottles like this. Now we'll paste them together to complete our pencil holder. So I'm going to apply. So I'm going to paste it. I'm going to apply some glue with the help of glue gun. I'm going to color the eyes with white paint marker to make them more precise. Here also apply white paint marker. Apply some white color acrylic paint marker in the heart, and then we can paint it with pink color very easily. So you can see that I have painted the mouth of all the 3 bottles with white color paint marker. Now I am going to apply pink color paint marker to do the pink color like this. So look, I have painted all the 3 in the same way. Now I am going to paste them together with the help of glue gun. Apply some glue here and then paste it. So friends, you can see our cute, beautiful pencil holder is ready. Now I am going to arrange my stationery in this. So I am putting my pencil colors here in this. Wow! And my crayons here. Wow! And I am putting my floating pens here. And again adding some crayons in other one. Wow! Look how cute and beautiful is looking. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.